Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, to subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video we will see how to fix if Windows 11 search is not working. So I'm currently on a Windows 11 system, and here you can see that search is the key feature of Windows 11, and you can use search to locate each and every item you want to looking for. And in case if search is not working, it becomes really difficult to locate items or content. In that case, you need to quickly fix this problem. So let us see how you can fix it. Let's start with solution number 1. As soon as you discover search is not working on your system, it's time to restart your system. To restart the system, simply right click on the start button and select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart, because sometimes the search services are not working properly, and restarting the system will allow the Windows operating system to restart search services from scratch along with the dependency services. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl Alt Delete keyboard shortcut, and there you can click on the power icon and select restart. Either way you restart the system, the problem should be fixed if it is not that much serious. Next, we have solution number 2. In this case, simply right click on the taskbar and select Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, go to Processes tab. In the search box at the top, type search, locate search host.exe process which should be running. Simply right click on it and select End Task. In the confirmation prompt, do you want to end search host.exe? Click End Process. The process may be shown here running, but it is being terminated, and if you retry to end the task, you will receive the access is denied error. This means the process is now about to end, and in few moments you can start searching for something and the process will restart and the problem should be fixed. Next, we have solution number 3. In this case, we will right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings app, go to Windows Update and make sure that you have latest updates installed. You can just click on check for updates here, and Windows will search for new updates, and once the new updates or the latest updates are installed, search feature should work properly. Then we have solution number 4. In this case, we will right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings app, we will go to privacy and security. In the corresponding right pane, scroll down until you locate searching Windows. Here you can see that indexing status is done. Under searching Windows, you will find that classic is selected. For find my files, you need to select enhanced. As soon as you select enhanced, you will see that indexing status is again in progress, and once the re-indexing is done, search problem should be fixed on your system with this solution. And lastly, we have solution number 5. So if the previous solutions didn't work for you, simply open the settings app and go to system and then recovery. Under recovery options, click on reset PC next to the reset this PC option. After this, reset this PC wizard will open. Under choose an option, make sure you select keep my files, and by this we will reset the system by keeping our data, so no data will be affected and the system will be reset. And after resetting the system, the problem should be permanently fixed. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.